Kakasi Students Union Delhi Unit Hakajan Meet Sing Satjan Kalulum Lang Ye Kipat Khasi Ki Batrai Kumju Ki Balit Sa Puli Hanong Ba Delhi Da Kaba Penlong Ye Kajing Kop Mr. But Miss Neutrap Ladon Lang Hagani Kajan Meet Nadu Sembut Menteri Rangba Ba Preston Tensong Kumju UMP Katura Usaling Isangma UMLA Kajuwai Ba Waila Chila But ru OSD jong Menteri Rangpa uba Daniel thank you kum kinong sha khots ngobha bakerpang ha ka jingalang kablalong Megalai House kabadon ha Dr APJ Abdul Kalam Road Delhi ringkat kajing sakhi lang kipat ba ya kapan sngat Miss Neutrap hakani kajan mit la yok ban phong da kasamla Aidamon talang na pedeng ki khat wengut ki samla kenthai Katba hakaliang kishinrang ya khusna Mr. Neutrap la yok ban khor dok samla Franklin Marwen la don langru hakani ka program na duk kinoyalam barang ba jong ka KSU hapo ka jingalam jong ba lambok star marngar na lor kiwe usembut menteri rangba ha bakren ha ka jingalang ula ai ka jingero e ka KSU Delhi ka balala shisha ban ai jingerap ka bakraw na ka benta ki pa ha ba ki wan shanong ba Delhi na ka benta ki kam ne ki jingpuli jongki ki wei pat ki bakran nagni ka jingalang ki kenthop UMP ka tura kumju ba Daniel thank you but ru president ka KSU na lor ki wei
I've seen our friends or dear ones working serving in Delhi in different capacities and also in different offices, different ministries. Thank you so much. Our officers from the state government too, Mr. Khapumo, Principal Secretary of the government who has just left. And I'm so happy that all of us are here together to inspire and also to say that the KSU Unit Delhi has done a very good job. And we wish to see that you getting better and better in the days to come.